Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to fix the black screen issue on your Asus base laptop. Now of course it doesn't really matter the model of your Asus device, and this will also work on other devices as well. As you can see here guys, I have this Asus VivoBook, and as you can see it is our Asus device. This is it. Doesn't matter if this is your model or you have another version. Now with this black screen issue, what happens is that you will hear sounds from your device, but you will be unable to see anything on the display. The display will remain black. If you have a backlit keyboard, you will see the light, but there will be nothing coming from the display. With the lights at the side, you may be able to see the lights, but of course, no matter what you do, I'm just demonstrating on this device, you'll see that the screen will remain black. Alright, so in this case, what you're seeing is that you're having a black screen issue. And of course, it's characterized by the sound without a display. Now, this tutorial aims to show you how to solve the problem. Now, do note that this happens to laptops and other devices, and of course, it tends to happen from time to time. Now, in the case that that is the issue that you're facing, I want you to follow these directions, specifically as I'm about to outline. Alright, so the first thing you want to note is that if you are working on something, you might lose it, chances are. And of course, if you do not do this in most cases, the device will not come back up. So in one way or the other, you'd have to attempt this. Also, it should be relatively safe. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, and what you're going to do is you're going to look to your device. You're going to search for your power key. It might be integrated into the keyboard, or it might be to the side. And once you find your power button, as seen here, I'm only demonstrating on this device. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to press and hold your power button. So hold it down. You're going to hold it for 20 seconds. You can actually count at a good pace to 20. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and let go. Now you should hear an audible wind down of the fans in the device, and all the lights, if this keyboard is lit, it should go black. If it's just a normal device, the R drive and the lights at the side, the very fine LEDs, should go out, and of course there will be nothing from the device. You'll stop hearing any sound. Now after this, and I'm only demonstrating on this device, you're going to go and press, and you're going to hold the power button once again. And once you do, what should happen is that the device should start powering up. And what's happening here is that we have just performed a power cycle. Now, in some cases, there's a software error, and the software error has caused the device not to work or function properly. And what you have done is to basically power cycle the device, and in I would say most of the cases, 80 to 90% of the cases, this is the issue. Just a software glitch, and this should bring your device back up. Alright, so that's what we do in this case, and that's what should fix your device. So in the comments, please leave them below. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.